Speaker marod bura mamalo Moses Wetangula ogolosie mager pino ne Gavanas mago mapacho kae ka owacho ni ibiro kaune ondamo mager ka gidhi nyime buono rombe mago mabende ichiko gi godo mondo mi gichope nyim od buch Senate mondo mi odadhogi e yono mano mabende ne oti kod omenda jo Kenya e pacho kae. Wetangula owacho ni nyaka gichopi e nyim od buch Senate mano mar duoko penjo mabende kamiti no nitiere go.
Governor na governor wote, sisi kama bunge, we shall not compromise on oversight. We will not compromise on oversight. For whom much is given, much more is expected. Huwezi kuchukua mabilioni ya ushuru ya wananchi, na ukiulizwa hii pesa imefanya kazi gani, unaanza kupiga kelele na kusema siwezi kuja kujibu maswali. Lazima wote wakuje bunge, na senior counsel Otienda Molo, you are the leader of my legal team. You must now establish criminal sanctions for those who avoid responsibility and accountability. Kwa sababu hii pesa sio governor, ni ya nyinyi wote. Na tunataka pesa ikipewa governor, he is only but a public trustee and a custodian of public good. Akiteleza lazima ajibu maswali.